Ever wondered what really happens during a colonoscopy? It's one of the most common and important ways to check the health of your colon. Before the procedure, you'll need to empty your bowels. That means flushing everything out so the doctor can get a clear view inside. On the day of the exam, you'll be given sedation. Most people feel relaxed and many even sleep through the whole thing. The doctor will gently insert a long, flexible tube called a colonoscope through your rectum. It has a small camera and light at the tip, kind of like a tiny explorer. The scope slowly moves through your colon, sending live video to a monitor. The doctor carefully looks for anything unusual like polyps or inflammation. If they spot something, they can take a tissue sample right away or even remove small polyps on the spot. The whole thing is usually painless. When it's done, the scope is slowly withdrawn and the entire procedure typically takes just 20 to 30 minutes. Comment yes if you're interested and follow me for more vital health tips.